Hey guys, Coach here out at the nursery again with this week's plant of the week. This week I'd like to introduce you to something that you see in the grocery stores all the time, but maybe you haven't seen the shrub of which it comes from. We're talking about blueberries this week. Blueberries of various kinds. The two varieties I found here at the nursery this week are Bountiful Blue, which I have grown personally for several years, and then another one I have not seen too much of called Sunshine Blue, which is kind of a dwarf variety. These guys are a deciduous shrub. They will last you 10 to 12 years, and with a little bit of pruning, even longer. They are a full sun animal, except in the very hottest parts of the country where they're gonna want to have some shade. On another note, acidity. They love an acidic environment. You wanna have your pH at 6 to 5.5 to really make them thrive. If you get up around neutral or 7.5, they start to get a little fussy. They really do. They love acid-loving fertilizer. They have beautiful, beautiful pendulous-looking urn-shaped flowers in the late winter, early spring. And then we all know about blueberries. I mean, blueberry pancakes, blueberry pie, everything blueberry. We had 8 of these on Weed Patch when we were growing them, and it was all we could do to get them from the beds to the kitchen and actually prepare them before we start popping them in our mouth. Very good for the heart, you know, stuff full of polyphenols and stuff, really good, healthy food. But they also make a fantastic landscape plant, especially the spring flowers in the springtime, and then the beautiful fall color and in the winter when they're starting to drop. So, hey, next time you're out at the nursery and you want something that's great for a 6 hours plus shady bed and then maybe a little shade in the afternoon, check out blueberry. It's all part of that sustainable landscape that I always am talking about. It gives you something back. Okay, and you can use this in conjunction with citrus and other things if you live in such a zone. And if you guys are apartment or condo dwellers, they do great in an acid-loving container that it'll thrive and produce for you right there on the balcony or the patio. So check it out. All right, hey, Coach is happy as heck that you joined me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Hey, comment below what your experience has been with blueberries. One way, negative, positive, whatever. Guys, take care. I'll see you next week. Thank you.